We are in the aerospace industry. We manufacture metal parts for pretty much every military airplane and helicopter that flies. The Oklahoma Innovation Expansion Program is fantastic. We've been able to purchase equipment through this program to help us maintain what we have, help us grow, add some other employees. 2 years ago, the first time that I got involved with OIEP, we were needing some new heat treating equipment. Heat treating of our metal materials is very important in our processes. Without being able to do that in our own facility, we would have to send it out of state. So being able to get some heat treating equipment in here that we needed very, very badly was really crucial to our operation. And then also there was a couple of pieces of machinery that we needed that would also help us be more competitive, be able to put some more people to work, and try to keep as much work in Oklahoma as we possibly could. I can't say enough about it. I think it's a great program. Anybody that doesn't use it is missing the boat.